Well, hey guys, long time no see. If you're interested, at the end of this video, I'll go over what has been going on around here for the last couple weeks and why I've been so tied up. Today, I have this table that was returned. I built this about 4 months ago. I'll link the video to that build at the end of this. But finally, after 4 months, I was able to deliver the table to the client and promptly received an email that the client was not happy with it. And the reason is the first two tables I built were 15 inches off the ground as requested. When they gave me the dimensions for this one, they only gave me the surface dimension, not the height. And so being the third table, I assumed that it was to be 15 inches high, and that was incorrect. So I've worked out a deal to donate my labor, and they're paying for the materials. I probably could have verified the height, but there's up to 7 tables I've given prices for in this order. So I want to be as friendly as I can on my end to keep the business coming. So today I am going to chop up these custom legs and rebuild them. wire to 023. 024 is what it says, but I'll set the thickness to the low end of 16 gauge. That'll slow the wire speed down a little bit. Turn on the gas. Now, if there is a silver lining to this little mishap, it's that my right angle clamps that I screwed down to my table here are from when I built those legs originally. So the spacing is still here, everything is square. It should go back together fairly simply. Should. Well, I'm going to polish up all these corners a little bit and sand everything and get ready to paint. Well guys, I feel like every time I do this, I learn a new trick, and this time is no exception. By using my horizontal belt sander here, I was able to take my welded edge, which honestly doesn't look bad. My welds came out pretty good. But I rounded it over and it is perfect, and it saved a bunch of time with the hand grinder. Beautiful. I don't know why I never thought of that before. This table's going to be sitting on carpet, but I'm going to go ahead and put these little felt pads on anyway. Well guys, I successfully re-delivered the corrected table to the client. They were much happier. Moving forward, I will definitely be confirming all of the dimensions on my tables. I want to thank you guys for watching and hanging out while I've been down. If you're curious as to what I've been up to the past month, stick around. I'm going to give a little update on that, including another truck you might notice in the background. I was thumbing around Facebook Marketplace one night, and this truck had been listed for 34 minutes, and it was 15 miles from my house, and it was a deal that I could not believe. And so we hopped in my dually and flew over to the guy's house to give him a deposit, and picked up this really sweet 50 Chevy. It runs, drives, stops, steers, all the lights work, the gas gauge works. Unbelievable. It's an awesome truck. So about a month ago, I took the kids on a camping trip to the Oregon coast, and while I was gone, my wife decided to get started on a bathroom update. Our tub shower had a crack in the bottom of it. We were afraid maybe it was leaking and rotting out the floor, so when I got back, I came up with a plan to completely remodel our crappy bathroom. I haven't been filming the process because I've been in a pretty big hurry to get it finished. Sharing a bathroom with our small kids is not fun. I ended up finding out that the hot water line coming out of our water heater had been leaking in the wall for some time, and that expanded our project from a bathroom upgrade to laundry room, converting our bathroom to an ensuite, and building a walk-in closet. Things that we really missed from our last house. Our laundry room was a huge waste of space. It was 8 by 13, so I cut 5.5 feet off of the back of it to make room for our new shower and toilet room. Inside here was the entrance to our bathroom, but now it is going to be part of our new walk-in closet. So we used to have his and hers closets, and I have converted mine into the entryway of where our new double vanity will sit, motion sensing light, and then in here we'll have, this will actually be the linen closet. I'll put some hidden hardware shelves in here. Toilet will go there, new shower will go there. This window is going to be replaced by a smaller window. But yeah, still quite a bit left to do. Oh, and heated floors under the tile. It's been quite a process, but I'm getting close. But stick around, guys. I've got a viewer from Napa, California coming up to pick up 250 cedar fence boards that I got to mill this week, so that video will be coming up. I did a review on another full suspension e-bike, and I wiped out hard in a stretch of mud. So if you're interested in seeing a 50-year-old guy fall off a bike, that's coming up real soon. So stick around, guys. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you soon.